I'm Ceci Arban.
Oh,
Kalahi
Ceci?
Ceci.
Ceci Arban of
Kalahi Bakery.
Kalahi Bakery. And this has been around since 1942. Imagine, matanda pa sa mama ko. Are there recipes na galing pa sa old,
yeah.
ano, like ano yung mga old?
Yung traditional, like yung, we call it biak bato, yung pandikoko sa Manila.
Pandikoko?
Yung kalihi.
Ah,
pianono.
Pianono.
Famous kami sa pianono.
Pero marami din kayong innovations. Yung nakikita ko kasi may mango cake, may yema cake. At saka
Siyempre,
ito siya.
masasawa sila sa yema.
Oh. It's a family-owned business. And pang ilang generation ka na?
Second ako.
Second
so,
generation.
Nasa ano na kami ng pa-third transition.
Third. Ito muna, ang empanada. Mainit ha.
Good? Really? Thank you.
Ang crust niya, buttery. Ito yung original location ng bakery.
Tapos in-upgrade lang.
Ito looks modern, pero ang kanyang origins,
Liberation.
na pala. So ito siya is pizza breads. Ito yung mga pa-modern na to na innovations. So in business talaga, you have to have an open mind, no? Though you're rooted in your tradition. Kasi parang minana na business, di ba? The younger generation, second generation, took it to the next level. So good luck sa third generation. Hopefully, the systems are in place so that the business can continue kahit hindi na masyadong involved ang family. So if you drop by San Pablo, ito, a must visit, no? Parang stop for pasalubong items and merienda.
Thank you.